us give our coming generations a healthier and happier environment to have a beautiful life. Best wishes on World Environment Day. Respect nature and it will shower on you, full of purity and greenery. Has gifted us with Mother Nature who nourishes us at every point, and the responsibility of saving her lies on all our shoulders. Our World Environment Day, let us promise to fulfill this responsibility. Let us make a promise to the world that we won't harm her anymore and we will make it healthier one. Let's come together to save nature and treat it right. Nature is a god. A walk in nature can fix our mood and health. This World Environment Day, let's pledge to treat nature with respect and love. The oceans blue, the planet green, and the animals safe. Raise your voice, not pollution. No pollution is the only solution. Let us protect our environment. The earth does not belong to us. We belong to the earth. Once again, happy Environment Day to all.